Okay, Joe and I came up to winterize the camper and pick up his camper. And all kinds of things happened. Like that pine tree just missed our electric box and just hit his camper. You say there's more trees out? Well, I'll let you know, Joe, how this turns out.
Yeah, man.
I mean, as far as
When you coming back up here next weekend?
I don't know. And this big tree right here, honey. Damn. It just uprooted the goddamn thing. See it here? Big ass hole there now. Just whole fucking tree. So I have to cut this goddamn one thing up now. This is nothing but old woods. But, you know, that's it. That's it. This is what it is. It's a big fucking hole. Okay. That's about it. I'm out of here. We're going home.